Hello there, welcome to Audio YouTube. My name is Mark. So, just a quick unboxing and first impressions of Kouros Body. Kouros Body may have been discontinued. It is highly likely, in fact, because most of the fragrances released by Yves Saint Laurent during the time of Tom Ford there aren't in production anymore. And so when I found a tester bottle selling in one of the Facebook groups of which I'm a part, I felt like it was the last time I could get it at a low price. So even if my life would be simpler if I didn't get this bottle, I would have felt stupid not to have grabbed it. Also of interest is that nobody ever sells a partial bottle of Kouros Body, which to me means that the people who have it do love it. Tester bottle. The serial code is 38L104. This is just 10 out of 10. Fantastic. This is awesome. There's no single note that stands out. I think it's just so beautifully blended, so smooth. Those who don't like sweet fragrances, or at least the oversweet ones, this is just absolutely perfect. It just hints at sweetness without being sweet. Body Kuros has been in my list of fragrances that I really want to get eventually, but I've never really hurried to get it, thinking that, nobody's raving about it, at least online. There's good things said about it, but nobody's hyping it. I still do rely on what everybody else says, especially because I have to blind buy almost everything I buy. It's a geographical problem. One of the best blind buys ever. When I was doing research on it, I do remember it has anise, but anise here is not like it's just blended into the rest of the fragrance, and so it's just one of the facets of the accord of the fragrance. I'm pretty sure there's coumarin and benzoin, but I will double check. I imagine that it has cedar. There seems to be moss in it too. There's also something fruity, but I can't quite determine what the fruity note is. For this video, I'm gonna look at the notes and see which ones I got right. So it does have anise, and also it has benzoin and coumarin, although the coumarin comes from the tonka bean. I'm wondering, where did I get that fruity note? Over in base notes, I was also right that it does have cedar, but they call it cedar wood from China. And also camphor wood. So this is just first impressions. It's elegant, it's timeless, and fun. 10 out of 10.